Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a much requested one. I'm going to be showing you how to get mods in Animal Company. This is working in 2026, requires no PC and no Discord account. You can literally use your mobile phone to obtain a promo code and you can redeem it in Animal Company, and it is going to unlock a secret mod menu. So this is the easiest method to get mods in Animal Company. Before I show you this method, I'm doing a gift card giveaway. I'm giving tons of awesome game gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my channel, so go ahead and do both of those things. Now let's get into the tutorial. It's going to take you about 5 minutes, but this is going to get you a promo code that you can redeem in Animal Company to get access to a secret mod menu. So as you can see, I've been searching Google. I actually watched tons of YouTube tutorials as well, and this method I'm going to show you is the easiest way to get mods. So you need to use your mobile phone. Like I said, this is a no PC method, so use your mobile and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So as you can see, just type it like this. And basically, Crash Coupons is a codes website. I've used these a bunch for other games. As you can see, they have loads of things. So to save you from scrolling through, I recommend using the search bar at the top of the page and just typing in Animal Company. You're looking for the Animal Company promo codes page. And what you need to do now, because there are a few different options on this page, you need to find the mod menu code. So this is a Animal Company get the mod menu for free. So tap on this button that says get code, and this is going to confirm your selection. As you can see, these are limited codes and these are verified working, so there is a bunch of codes remaining. So at the bottom it says show full code, so go ahead and tap on that. Like I said, this method only takes about 5 minutes. And this is awesome because it just uses a promo code that reveals an already built-in Animal Company mod menu. So as you can see, guys, it says your code is ready and will be revealed after verification. So it's allocated you a code. I've already done this, so I won't do it again. But basically, you need to click on this button and it's going to tell you how to unlock your mod menu Animal Company promo code. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below. From Crash Coupons, and that is going to unlock your code, and it says follow the instructions below each app. So on this page you're going to have a list of applications. They're all completely free, and essentially you need to follow the instructions to complete 2 of them. You may see games and stuff, guys, and they're really easy. As you can see, the text tells you what to do for each one. So just complete 2 of those. I'll skip forward, but basically it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Animal Company promo code for your mods will be revealed. And you can literally grab the code from this box, redeem it in the Animal Company computer where you can redeem promo codes, and that is going to unlock the mod menu in Animal Company. So that is the fastest and easiest method to get mods in Animal Company working in 2026. So that is it. Go to Crash Coupons. Apologies, guys. Go to Crash Coupons. Any questions, let me know, guys, but it is pretty easy. Hit that like button and subscribe for the gift card giveaway, and also leave a comment below if you need any help. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.